Hey yo. It's a creepy looking one, huh? Isn't it a thing of beauty? Alright, so upon further inspection, crawling through the bugs and all that, I decided to just run a fern co over there behind these bricks. I had the black pipe coming out, and I just ran all new PVC all the way over there. It was sagging pretty good in the middle, so I just went through and loosened up a few things and ran it again. It goes out the other side there, and then that pipe right there that you see coming in is actually from the washer. I ran that because it was going way over there and then into a 3-inch pipe coming this way, and it was clogged, so I wasn't gonna pull all that down.